Naija Senate don adjourn plenary go September 23, 2025 as this one mark the end of the current legislative year. Senate President Godswill Akpabio give all committee order make dem finish any pending reports before dem resume. Akpabio announced the adjournment on Thursday 24th of July after one closed-door executive session wey last pass 1 hour. He tell all standing and ad hoc committees make dem use the 2 months break wella to complete their work so that once dem resume, everything go quick for consideration and approval.
The suspension is just plenary sittings. All ad hoc committees should continue to work. All necessary committees, diaspora committee, committee on reparation, committee on interior, and others. This is the best time for you to undertake visits to prisons and all that. Do all your reports and make them available as soon as we come back. We'll have a special day to consider all reports. And then all the other committees, reports extended to you, you must also make sure that those reports are ready for Senate scrutiny when plenary commences. You are moving from plenary for the next few weeks, but you are not stopping your legislative functions because that's what your people elected you to do.
Before the announcement, Akpabio still advised senators make them use the break take check road construction wey dey happen for their constituency and even other places for Naija. Meanwhile, senators go waka go Jos for Plateau State on Friday to attend the burial of the wife of their colleague, Senator Dicket Plang.
We will all converge at Jos to beat the wife of our colleague, distinguished Senator Dicket Plang, Mrs. Plang, farewell as she goes back to her Creator. May her soul once again rest in perfect peace. A plane will be available to convert distinguished senators. I don't know, Felicia will give the details, but I think the plane should be available from 8 to convert senators to Jos, 8 a.m. so that we can all attend the ceremony which starts at 10. So I wish all of us joining mercies and safe return to Abuja.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosinwa, TMC News.